everyone, so we're going to do some burritos for dinner tonight. So I have some tortilla wraps. You can get the ones that are smaller than this. This is the largest size, and these come to about 200 calories or 182 calories per wrap. But you can get a smaller one, which would be just about just over 100 calories. So if you're a smaller female, they're going to be more appropriate. I'm going for some baked beans in mine, but you can have any type of bean, kidney beans, black beans are really great. 1 onion. I'm going for some 5% lean beef mince. Jar of salsa. Store-bought's fine. If you're a larger male, you might want to add some rice to your burrito. Being a smaller female, I tend not to add any rice, and I tend to usually add some chopped peppers instead. And then finally, also some cheese, some eating cheese, lower calorie, higher protein cheese to keep calories down in this burrito. So let's get cooking. So we've got our onions frying in the fry pan, rice already boiling, ready to go. They're the first things you want to put on. Also, you want your oven heated. I put it as high as I can because they're not going in for long. They just want to basically crisp up the tortilla wraps. So when I'm cooking the onions, I just like to add a bit of water. You want to really make sure that the onions are like sauteed really well. You want them to be like, probably like 5 minutes of just kind of adding a bit of water, letting that water boil off, and then pouring more in so that they're really, really cooked. Basically caramelized. I have some tin foil. To put the tortilla wraps in so that you can wrap them up like they do in the stores. So I've gone for 20 grams of eating cheese for my burrito.